Now, our focus is on some of the most popular gemstones that have captured human imagination for centuries. We'll delve into their unique properties and understand what makes each of them so special. Diamonds form deep within the Earth's mantle under extreme heat and pressure. Diamonds are composed of carbon atoms arranged in a crystal lattice. Known for their exceptional hardness, diamonds are a 10 on the Mohs scale, making them the hardest known natural material. Their brilliance and fire result from their high refractive index and dispersion. Often associated with love and commitment, diamonds are a popular choice for engagement rings. Rubies. They are a variety of the mineral corundum, colored red by the presence of chromium. With a Mohs hardness of 9, they're durable and long-lasting. Their deep red hue can range from pinkish-red to blood red. Symbolizing passion and protection, rubies have been revered in many cultures as stones of royalty. Sapphires. Also a variety of corundum, sapphires get their blue color primarily from iron and titanium impurities. Like rubies, sapphires have a Mohs hardness of 9. While blue is the most popular color, sapphires come in almost every hue except red. Representing wisdom and nobility, sapphires are often associated with the divine and are believed to bring protection. Emeralds. Belonging to the beryl family, the green color of emeralds comes from traces of chromium and vanadium. While they're softer, with a Mohs hardness of 7.5 to 8, their vibrant green color is unparalleled. They often have inclusions, referred to as the garden, within the stone. Symbolizing rebirth and love, emeralds were cherished by ancient civilizations like the Egyptians. Amethyst. A variety of quartz. The purple color of amethyst arises from iron and other trace minerals. With a Mohs hardness of 7, amethysts are durable. Their color can range from light lavender to deep violet. Historically, amethysts were believed to prevent intoxication and have been associated with clarity of mind. Opals. Formed from rainwater that seeps into the ground, opals are composed of silica spheres arranged in a grid. Opals are softer, with a Mohs hardness of 5.5 to 6.5. Their play of color is due to the diffraction of light off the silica spheres. Often considered a stone of inspiration, opals are believed to enhance creativity. While these are just a few of the many gemstones that adorn our world, each carries its own story, shaped by the forces of nature and human history. Their properties, from hardness to color, are a testament to the incredible interplay of chemistry, physics, and geology. As we move forward in this course, we'll delve deeper into the world of gemstones, understanding their formation, evaluation, and significance in various cultures. Whether you are looking to buy a piece of jewelry, embark on a career in gemology, or simply satiate your curiosity, knowing the properties and stories of these popular gemstones is a step in the right direction.